All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC Universal Course. So today, guys, I just want to show us how to give a perfect hairline. Do you understand? So this theory aspect, and I want you to get it very, very well, because if you don't get the basis, you will miss out when you are lining someone's hair. Do you understand? But please, before I continue, make sure you share this video. Let other people benefit from it. And if you are here to follow me, please do, because you are going to learn a lot. This page is all about theory and practical. Do you understand? So share this video, let other people learn. And if you say anything that I'm not doing well, please correct me. So let's go. Now look at this hair very well. You can see that this hair has what? It has a four corner shape, right? Look at it very well. It has a four corner shape, right? Now for some persons, I told us that in my YouTube channel, that's why I told you to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are going to learn a lot from the fundamental to the end. You will learn a lot. Now some persons start their hair lining from the horizontal line. Anyone that works for you is fine, but if you want to follow my own procedures, follow the pattern the way I normally do it. I normally start it from the vertical line. Whenever I want to give someone a hairline, always look at the edge where the vertical line starts from and where it stops. So for me, I normally start it from the vertical line. Now look at this hair closely. Look at it very well. Can you see that this hair, if you are not a good barber, you spoil this hair. Why? Because look at it, this hair does not even have a good shape. The vertical line side, there are a lot of hairs there. It cannot detect exact place the hair started from the vertical line. Can you see it? Look at hair here. Okay, will you start shaping hair here? No. So now when you come across hair like this, the next thing you need to do, use your own brain to calculate, check the size of the person's head texture. Then you know how to give him a perfect hairline that will suit his head texture. If his head texture is wide or is small, when the hair is plenty on the vertical line, that there is no shape for you to start, you are the one creating the shape. Look at the head texture very here, well, how wide it is, then you know how to start it. Now use this one as an example. Now see how wide this head texture is, and see where the vertical bar starts from, and there is hair here. So what are you going to do? As a professional barber, you are to detect it very well. Now if I'm to give this hair a hairline now, because you can see that this hair, you see what I'm saying now, right? Now you have to start from here, measure it with your brain. This is not something that you start using tape rule. No, you have to use your brain. That is why you need to study this, watch this video to the end, so that you understand this theory aspect that I'm telling us. So what this hair very well. Now use your head to calculate it, to measure it. Hold him here. This is where the vertical bar start from. That is why sometimes if you chew chewing gum, if you do like this, as if you are chewing, that place that used to vibrate is the vertical bar. So what you need to do now is to look at it very well. Now if I'm to start this hair now, look at it. The vertical bar should start from here. Look at it very well. Is it not true? The vertical bar should start from here. It should start from here. So once you get the vertical bar, you know this is what? This is high fade, right? So we can do the C cup. I'm just using this pencil to show you what I want to do when you come across hairline that does not have shape. What you need to do. So once you start there, look at here too. Can you see it? The next one has to start here. Can you see it? So I'm just showing us, for those of us that are learning. Can you see it? This is how it's supposed to be. When you master this theories aspect, there is nobody that will come to your salon that has a shapeless hairline that you cannot be able to give him a perfect shape. Can you see it? Then after you have gotten the vertical bar, then you start the horizontal line. Now look at this hair, look at it very well. Can you see that this hair, this is where the horizontal line starts from, but some persons have taken the hair inside, so I blended it outside to see how the shape is. So this hair is supposed to start here. Can you see it? So I don't want this video to be too long. If you benefit anything from here in terms of theory aspect, please share this video, let other people learn this, and don't forget to follow me, like, comment and share. Save this video so that you watch it next time whenever you come across hair, any hairline that does not have shape. You'll be able to give the person a perfect shape. If you are here to follow me on YouTube, please subscribe. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Go to my YouTube, I teach theory and practical from the scratch to the end. So this is HUC, High Universal Code. Remember how I do it. I always give you a perfect what? Tutorial. I love you guys. Anything you don't understand, just let me know. So hope you have gotten it now. So this is it. This is how it's going to go. So I just use the pencil to show you so that you understand what I'm trying to do. And for those of you that don't know how to give a hairline, maybe if you are learning, can use pencil first before you use your clipper to understand, before you use your clipper to give him the perfect shape. Can you see it? You follow it. For those of us that don't know how to shape hair, use pencil to draw it. After you draw it finish, you follow it. I'm just using this one to show us an example. So you just follow it. You follow it, you remove it. So I love you guys. Share this video, let other people learn. Love you guys.